diving hook. Nice move by Robin Lopez. And they get it down to Hurry for Iguodala.
For the last 19 games, he's capable from the three-point line.
Curry for three, yes.
And he's more than capable from the three-point line. Steph Curry finally on the board in the third quarter. The #1 scoring team in the third. So important for the Bulls here to get off to that good start.
Draymond Green hits his second three. Thompson wide open for three. Back tap. Curry fires for three. Yes! Now let's see if that gets him going. Steph Curry
For the Warriors.
waited nowhere to go. And on the turnover, here comes Curry with Payne back. Curry able to beat Payne. What a move by Steph Curry. Went right at him. Curry behind the back. And then finds West. Returns, but blocked by Mirotic. Curry fires. Oh! Off balance with the shot clock running down.
The right corner. Bobbled. Lets it rip. And I think that's just a 2.
It is.
But it's still pretty spectacular. Checks the shot clock. All net from Steph Curry. Warriors down 1.